Everybody, it is Kay Toretto here. So for today's video, what you're seeing at my back right now is one of the most beautiful places here in Malamjaba. Right now, I am here at 0 Point. So ayan, ganda siya. Weather's nice, maaraw pero malamig. Gusto ko lang pakita yung ganda ng view natin right now. I'm just really sharing the beauty of Pakistan to all of you guys. Please comment down below if you also would like to go to this place. Kaya saya, na-enjoy ko mga journey ko recently sa Pakistan. Talaga naman. Pagod mag-hike, nag-hike ako talaga naman. Pero kung ganito yung view mo, okay lang. Wala kang maririnig sa akin. Walang pollution, masarap huminga. Kinukulit ako ng mga bata. Sabi nila, sasabuyan nila ako ng grass. Okay, go, let's do it once again. Everybody, welcome to the beauty of 0 Point here in Malamjaba, Pakistan. Eh! Bye-bye. Itripan niyo ako.